Looking for the best pruning saws to tackle overgrown branches and keep your garden in shape? You're in the right place. We upload high-quality videos every day to help you make smarter product choices. Let's dive into the top picks that combine power, precision, and value. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews. Number 1. Rexpedi 8-inch Folding Saw. Weekend landscapers need not spend a fortune for a good quality pruning saw to get unruly shrubs in shape. The affordable Rexpedi pruning saw has a straight 8-inch blade with wide-set 7 teeth per inch TPI construction to make quick work of trimming away unwanted branches. The Rexpedi saw blade is made from durable SK5 steel for long-lasting sharpness and durability. This pruning saw cuts on either a pull or push stroke and features a non-slip, rubbery grip for comfort. When not in use, the saw blade folds away in the handle, making it easy to carry in a backpack or on a tool belt. A non-slip for comfort. When not in use, the saw blade folds away in the handle, making it easy to carry in a backpack or on a tool belt. Out of the box, this Rexpedi foldable handsaw failed to make a positive first impression. Frankly, it looked cheap, and the one we tested even had a small amount of play in the blade pivot. But in action, it performed quite well. The somewhat stiff blade made smooth, quick cuts on branches up to 5 inches thick, including some in narrow crotches. The locking mechanism easily operated one-handed. Number 2. 18-inch D-handled razor tooth saw. The Corona razor tooth saw is a powerful tool designed to cut substantially sized branches. Its ergonomic grip is reminiscent of saws used to hand-cut lumber, and it puts the user's wrist in a straight position while sawing to maximize power. An ample 18-inch blade can handle heavy-duty jobs, and it's made from SK5 impulse-hardened steel to resist dulling. A chrome coating adds further rust resistance and performance. From handle to blade tip, the saw measures a total of 23.2 inches, making this pruning saw well-suited to the hobby orchardist or frequent tree trimmer. In testing, the Corona 18-inch razor tooth pruning saw lived up to its promises. We loved how it cruised through big cuts up to 10 inches thick, moving quickly and smoothly without flexing or binding mid-stroke. The handle construction was comfortable for making undercuts as well. At just 5 TPI, it pleasantly surprised us with its cutting power, though we still question how its longevity will compare with saws with 6 or 7 TPI. Number 3. FloraGuard Folding Handsaw. Although it's just 8 inches long, the anti-rust low-friction steel blade on this folding pruning saw handled 4-inch branches in our tests with ease. The FloraGuard cuts on both the push and pull strokes, making it ideal for quickly trimming away smaller branches. A padded, non-slip ergonomic handle makes it easy to grasp the saw firmly, while a secure locking button keeps the blade from unfolding when stored. The button also locks the blade at various angles for cutting in tight spots. For a budget-priced saw, this FloraGuard folding saw performed relatively well in our tests. Although the blade was subject to occasional binding and some sap buildup, these were only minor inconveniences. The saw felt good in the hand, and the cuts were mostly clean and quick. We didn't love the knuckle guard, but it does provide some protection from branches and prevents the saw from accidentally closing across the back of the fingers. Number 4. Felco 600 Pull Stroke Pruning Saw. Felco is world-renowned for pruners, especially the legendary model F2 that enjoys enduring loyalty among nursery and landscape pros. So it's no surprise that the company offers a complementary tool for slightly thicker branches. With its nearly 6-inch blade, the Felco 600 folding pruning saw is the smallest in our lineup, and it comfortably fits in a back pocket or belt scabbard, sold separately. This portable pruning saw makes for fast, easy removal of branches up to about 4 inches in diameter. Though small, it boasts high-quality features such as a high-quality chrome-plated, hardened steel blade that tapers away from the teeth. For routine yard maintenance or minor trail clearing while backpacking, the Felco 600 gets the job done. Our overall impression was of rugged durability and high quality. just what we expected from a brand known for its professional tools. It made smooth, aggressive cuts in dried-out dead hardwood as well as in sappy young pine without getting clogged teeth. Number 5. Silky Saws Zubat Professional 330mm Hand Saw. Regardless of whether it's for a landscape crew or for the gardener who's in the market for a tough, sharp saw built for all-day use, the Silky Zubat is a great choice. This lightweight saw weighs about a pound, and it features a rubber pistol-style grip that feels good in the hand. It has a fast-cutting 13-inch curved blade with hardened teeth and a tapered spine, a rugged plastic scabbard with dual rollers, and a detachable belt loop. When the blade eventually wears out, it is easy to replace by removing 2 screws in the handle. In our tests, the Silky Zubat operated as advertised. The handle was super comfortable and attached to the blade at just the right angle for efficient cutting. The narrow blade cut both dry hardwood and sappy softwood extremely well without binding or clogging. It's curved just enough to dig into the cut quickly while allowing for long, smooth strokes. We also liked that the saw clicks into place when fully seated into the scabbard.